friends, welcome to my channel today. I am so sorry, I've been really MIA on my channel lately, and you probably know that if you're following me on Facebook or you're following me on Instagram, because I've been trying to keep you guys updated on there. It's a little harder to keep the, day-by-day updates on YouTube. But if you've been following me over there, then you know that my husband has been very sick for like the last month probably. I think I had to run him to the hospital 7 different times. We were counting the other day, and the last stay that he had at the hospital was for 3 days for sepsis. So he was very sick, and we were scared he might not make it out of that because that is very dangerous. But he did. He's home and he's good now. And I'm actually going to talk a little more about kind of what he went through and what happened in my next video, because I know a lot of you probably want to know. So I'll talk about that in my next video, and we're also going to do something really fun for the nurses that helped him. So I'm really excited to shoot that video very soon. It'll be the next video that I'll have out for you guys. I wanted to do it today actually, but I'm just not prepared yet. So that'll be the next video. So today we're just gonna go do a quick little Mother's Day act of kindness, one that we've done before. And then also I follow somebody named Layla Palmer on Instagram. Her Instagram handle is Lettered Cottage. And I would encourage you guys to all go follow her. She's just so encouraging and just upbeat. She's a very positive account to follow. And something else that I love about her is she's adopted her son, and she's about to adopt a daughter, but she's going to be an adult by the time she adopts her. And so she's going to be doing an adult adoption, and it's just very fascinating and very cool to me. And she talks a lot about that process and how it's done where she lives. So go follow her if you want to know more about that. And something that she's doing is, so the daughter that she's going to be adopting when she can is having a birthday on May 12th, which is also my daughter's birthday. So she's asking everybody, or anybody who wants to. It wasn't even her idea, it was her followers' idea, so I shouldn't make it sound like she was asking people to send her stuff. She wasn't. But a lot of her followers wanted to send something to this girl whose name is Mimi. And so she is letting them send her birthday cards and things because Mimi hasn't had a lot of good experiences from her past regarding birthdays. So she's trying to make this birthday for her like very fun and encouraging. And I'm just like, I loved the idea so much. So I thought we're going to go to Walmart. We are going to get some stuff for lots of different things. I'm going to be honest with you. I have to get stuff for the nurses, a basket that I'm going to be doing next video. I'm going to get something for Mimi while we're there. And also we're going to do a quick little Mother's Day act of kindness. So we're just kind of like getting a bunch of stuff today. So we're going to go to Walmart right now and just try and figure out what we're going to get.
Even in the darkest night, you shine so bright.
I think I got our Mother's Day card now. We're just shopping for a card for Mimi. See what we find. Hey guys, I am pretty sure everybody in that Walmart was wondering what the heck I was doing. Once I got in there and I was checking out, I realized I did not have a pen with me, so I couldn't write in the card that I wanted to leave in the women's bathroom in the baby thing. So I had to ask for a pen from the guy that I was checking out at, and he did give me a pen, but it did not work very well. So that's why the writing on that card is like really not great. But I managed with what I had. I didn't want to walk back out to my car. It's actually pretty cold here today. I didn't want to walk back out here, and I wasn't even sure I had a pen in my purse if I even came out here. I don't think I do. So I was like, oh shoot. So I just used the one he gave me. And then I just stood like right there, and people were wondering what in the world I was doing, but I just stood there, not in the checkout lane, like next to the ice thing. And I just wrote in the card, and then I was like videoing it and whatever. I honestly don't care. So I wrote in it, and then I had to like bring my cart in there because I didn't want to leave, you know, my like important stuff. I don't know if you're even allowed to bring your, you guys let me know, are you allowed to bring your grocery cart into the bathroom with you? Because I think that you're not, but I didn't want to leave stuff that I bought out. Anyway, so I brought it in with me. So I think then again, people were like, what in the world is that girl doing? But I had to go in the bathroom to drop that off. So I did that, which I've done that before. That was not the first time, but it was just something quick that we could do today as a little act of kindness for a mom that hopefully is going to go in there and really just need that little pick-me-up today. It was just $25. It wasn't much, but again, hopefully that little note was an encouragement to her today. Walmart does not have good gift cards. Okay, I think I knew that and I forgot it. And I just didn't want to have to run around today. So I know there's another grocery store a little ways away that I could go to, and they have a really good selection, but I'm exhausted and I didn't want to do that. And so I just made it work. And so I was about to get Mimi a Walmart gift card too. You guys, I think I showed it. I had 2 gift cards, and I was going to give one to Mimi and then use one for the Mother's Day gift card. And then at the last minute, I remembered that I already have a Dunkin' Donuts gift card, and I have no idea what Mimi likes. Like, I know that Layla Palmer mentioned the stuff that she likes, but the stories expired on Instagram where she was talking about it, and I cannot for the life of me remember what she said were things that she likes. Like, I remember she said SpongeBob, and I remember that she said she likes The Walking Dead, but none of that helped me with a gift card, so I could not figure it out. So I'm just gonna give her Dunkin' Donuts, because I figured even if you don't like coffee, there's still something there that you can find that you'll like, and that's pretty general. Everywhere you go, it has a Dunkin' Donuts, so I'm just gonna give her that and call it good. And then also the card that I picked because it just screamed to me like teenager. It had that little sun pin. It just also reminded me of SpongeBob for some reason. I don't know, it's just a sun, but it just seemed happy. And so I got her that card because it just seemed good to me. And then I only got a few things for the nurses' gift bags, which I didn't show you guys any of that really. I actually had a lot of things in my cart for the nurses, and then I started to think, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna go to like Home Goods or somewhere else and try and get like better, cuter things. So I ended up putting a whole bunch of stuff back that I had in my cart. Just got a few things. So we'll wait on that. But that's where we're at. I'm gonna go put together this little card for Mimi, and we'll send that off to the mail to Layla. She has a P.O. box set up for her. So let's go back to my house and get that set. Okay, you guys, this is the little card I picked out again. Picked it because I loved that little pin. And this is what I wrote. Well, there you guys go. I did a little screenshot the other day when, see, there's Layla, lettered cottage, and there's Mimi, and there's the P.O. box that we are going to write on our card and send our little gift to her. I was about to go out our front door, but we have a bird that has built a nest right up there. So we haven't been using our front door at all. Can you see her tail? It's actually been really fun having a bird nest right there because she sings so beautiful. I don't know what kind of bird she is because I can't get a good look at her, but the noises she makes are so pretty. So we have to go out through the garage. Okay, you guys, that is all for today. Just wanted to do a quick little acts of kindness. Let me know if you guys have any more ideas for the gift basket I'm going to be sending to the nurses next week. We just have some cute little things that I'm starting off with. I know one major thing I'm going to be adding to them, but I want to add a lot of like littler things. So I'm thinking like maybe chapstick or lotion, but let me know if you're a nurse or if you know a nurse and you know something that would be good to add in, please let me know. And I'm also making an abundance of things so that way it's not only going to go to nurses necessarily, but it can go to those who came and helped clean his room because we got to meet her, the people who were able to cook in the kitchen and bring him food. I'm trying to make it just a giant gift basket so they can kind of split it up and share amongst themselves because it takes more than just the nurses to help, and lots of people played their parts and lots of people were a blessing to us while we were in the hospital. But more about that in next week's video. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, follow me, do all the nice things so you don't miss any videos, and hopefully I can inspire you to do acts of kindness where you live, and together we can stand aglow wherever you go. Bye guys!